the
There's no
scanner.
filming allowed in the building.
Don't put your
Your
hands on
phone
it.
will be confiscated.
I can't film.
No, you can't.
This is
Not
my
in the
first
courthouse.
right.
Not in the courthouse.
This is
Not in
my
the courthouse.
first amendment right.
Not in the courthouse.
To film you in the courthouse. That's my first amendment right.
Imagine walking into a courthouse just to ask a question about a bill and ending up accused of causing a disturbance. That's what happened here. A man went to resolve a fine, but instead of answers, he was told he wasn't allowed in the building. Confused, he asked to speak to a supervisor. Instead, officers ordered him outside. When he refused, one of them put hands on him. The man pushed back. "This is a public building. I have a right to be here. My First Amendment protects me, even recording inside this courthouse." But the officers insisted, "Step out or get locked up." He demanded badge numbers, names, and answers. What crime had he committed? None. He was just asking questions about a bill. In the end, no charges, no resolution. Just a man left filing a complaint and a courthouse left with bigger questions than the fine itself. Was this justice or abuse of power? Drop your thoughts in the comments.
To film you in the courthouse.
Have a good day, sir.
I want to speak to your supervisor.
I want you to step outside. This ain't a negotiation.
I do not believe.
Then
You want to arrest me?
You're going to step out.
You arresting me?
I will.
For what?
Failure to obey and you recording in the federal building.
This ain't no federal building.
Walk outside.
I hope you know your laws.
Walk outside, baby. I'm not
I
arguing
hope
with
you know what you're doing.
Walk outside. Exit the
I
building.
went over there. The sheriff's over there.
Exit
told
the
me
building,
to
man.
come back
I'm not arguing with you.
to this
Exit the building. Exit the
What's
building.
the person name that said I'm not allowed in
My
this building?
supervisor.
Who is your supervisor?
I'll get him when you leave the building. You blocking my traffic.
What's
Please
his
walk
name?
out. Walk outside.
What's your supervisor's
Walk
name?
outside.
What's your...
Yeah, come on up, guys. He's in the way.
I get out the way.
Then walk out the building. If they tell you not allowed in the building, take a step. Go ahead.
What supervisor said this?
Mine.
Who is your supervisor?
I'll get him when you step out front.
What's your badge number?
307. Can you see?
What's your name?
There you go. Out
What's
there.
your name?
You can see, right?
You gotta tell me your name.
I don't have to tell you. You can read.
What's your supervisor name?
I don't have to tell you that. He can tell you that. Step up.
I'm not leaving the building.
All right, then, so you're gonna get. I'm gonna have to escort you out.
Putting your hands on me?
You gonna leave the building now? You can get locked up.
Are
One
you
day together.
insane?
Go
You
ahead.
lost your mind? Are you insane? You just put your hands on me.
You're
You
gonna
just
leave
put
the
your
building.
hands
You're gonna
on me.
leave the building.
This
One way or
dude
the
is
other.
insane.
One way or
You
the
done
other.
lost your mind.
You're gonna leave the building.
You done lost your mind.
You're gonna leave the building, Sam.
For what reason?
You're not allowed in the building. Whoever calls you over there, you haven't went from the building. Time to go. Time to go.
Are you the supervisor?
No, but if he tell you gotta go, you gotta go.
Yeah, I want to speak to a
And I
supervisor.
said I'll get him when you get out front. That's the
I'm
rule.
not staying outside with no supervisor. I didn't do anything to him.
Coming right now.
Yeah.
You can give it to her and maybe she can go upstairs.
How you
Failure
doing,
to leave.
Sheriff?
Mind you, he's recording while he's talking to you right now.
Yeah, of course.
Yes, sir.
I came over here to, you told me to go see these ladies in here about my bill. I said I had a discrepancy with a bill that I received from the sheriff's office. And I went in here, I talked to the ladies. The ladies said, go talk to the chief justice across the street. I went across the street. The guys over there say, nobody told you to come over here and talk to the chief justice. So I say, okay, because they said I can't see the chief justice. I said, I'll come back over here and find out what to do next. So I come. A court fine that I received, and it was some discrepancies on there. I wanted to clear up. So I'm coming back over here. He immediately say, I'm not allowed in the building. I don't understand why.
Gatsby told me what cut the starter with
He came
him.
across the street, asked to speak to Judge Perry. I said, that's not how it works. If you have a discrepancy with somebody, you gotta go to 200, write a letter, and then that's how it goes. So that's why he came back over here. But like I said, when he was over there, he was pushing the issue, trying to get the Judge Perry out. I said, that's not gonna happen. So the only way they essentially write a letter, give it 200, if she want to meet, she'll meet. That's how it goes.
So what problem did I cause? By asking questions on how to resolve my issue?
Well, only thing you can do is you won't be able to get anything resolved today because it's the holiday weekend and people won't talk to you not here, so you probably best bet to come back next Monday.
Okay.
All right.
This gentleman just assaulted me.
It's all to you.
He put his hands on me, grabbed me.
Grab me out.
He grabbed me physically to remove me physically from this building.
So what do you want to do?
Look at me, that's you for it.
This how we treat each other.
What do you want? I mean,
I want to press charges.
well,
I want him arrested for assault.
you want to file a complaint?
If that's all, is that all you offer me? Yes.
Okay, let me get you the complaint papers. You can take that, fill them out, and mail them back. And we'll
So
have it
this
investigated.
gentleman told you that I caused a problem across the street.
No, I'm just trying to resolve it so we can done. You want to file a complaint? I'll get you the paperwork so you can file a complaint.
But so why would he be under the understanding that I caused a problem across the street and I wasn't allowed in the courthouse?
Let me get you the paperwork.
Yes, sir. Why would he be under understanding? You lied. You lied, brother.
It's okay. That's the address. You can fill that out and mail it back to that address.
Okay. Am I able to conclude my business today?
What is your business?
To go upstairs and get the chief judge information so I can send her a letter.
No, you can call and get that. They won't. You can't go to the office. You can give.
No, the office 200, the clerk's office upstairs.
The clerk's office in this building.
Yeah, upstairs, so I can get the judge's information to contact her.
You want to go to 200? The clerk's
Yes.
office. Yeah, you got to go through the check and everything. Get
Okay,
checked out.
thank you. Yeah, I'm trying to get some clarification.
Clarification on what? You got on camera? You can't record it.
Yeah, I can record it.
You can't record it.
They said I
Turn the
caused
camera
a,
off or you want to step up front.
they said I caused a problem over here.
Over here?
Yeah,
Turn your
and
camera off or step
they
up
said I wasn't allowed in the
Come on up
courthouse
front.
across the street.
All right, come on up front. You want to talk out front?
Yes, you can.
You can't come in.
You can record in here. That's the
Record
first.
outside.
This is my First Amendment right.
Step
This is my
outside.
First Amendment right.
Step outside, my guy.
This is my First Amendment
You
right.
wanna step outside?
You putting your hands on me?
I'm telling you, step outside.
You got your hands on
Go
me.
put my hands. You will go to jail. Or we're going to take the phone.
And you'll have yourself recorded. You'll disobey the
y'all
lawful order
lost your
several
mind.
times,
Yeah.
sir.
I'm going to ask
Have a
you
good
one
day,
last
sir.
time.
I want to speak to your
Step outside.
supervisor.
Have a go, sir.
You
I
can
want to
speak
speak to your
on-
supervisor.
He going to come out front. Come on outside.
I want to speak to your supervisor.
I'm
Because I
asking
didn't
one last
cause
time.
no problem
Hand me
over
your-
here. I didn't.
Hand me your phone.
You're stealing my
Right,
phone.
hand me your phone. Do me a favor. Step outside. Please. You still recording again?
I'm recording this right now.
This is an official criminal trespass warning, all right?
Official criminal. Criminal means some law has been broken, right?
It's a trespass warning.
What is
so
the
it's a
crime that
warning
goes with
saying
the
that
criminal
you're not allowed-
action?
It's a warning saying you're not allowed.
Imagine being trespassed from a store forever. That's exactly what happened here. A man went to pick up medicine for his dog, but instead of a normal trip, he was confronted by two officers. They handed him a criminal trespass warning and told him he could never shop there again. Confused, he asked, "What crime have I committed? Trespassing is only a crime if I refuse to leave." But the officers insisted they were acting on management's request, without ever naming the manager. The man pushed back. Qualified immunity doesn't protect you from violating rights under the color of law. The exchange grew heated, with raised voices, accusations of harassment, and even insults flying back and forth. In the end, no arrest was made. But the damage was done. The man was banned from a local store, all for questioning authority. Was this law enforcement protecting private property, or a violation of constitutional rights?
It's called fishing, man. So here I am being told now, this is video 3. Here's Miller finally out of his car. This is video 3 I told you to watch for. This is the West Coast Tyrant Watcher. And I believe this is the one. You know, we saw him earlier in my videos, hanging around my house, just hanging and hanging for 15 minutes. And if I would have done shit like that, parked here and then parked there and parked here, boy, he would have pulled me the fuck over. What are you doing out here, buddy? You don't live here. Never seen your car before. Never seen the woman working in this place before either, Marcy, but for some reason, as I was trying to buy medicine for our dog, Mr. Sample here, and Mr. Crisp, who's giving me some paperwork that we've all acknowledged that you do not legally have to sign. They can't arrest you for not signing a trespass paper. It's really just a verbal thing because the law is there's no crime against being told to leave somewhere. You tell me to leave somewhere and I leave, that's that. You don't want me there? Fine, I left. That's not a crime. And it's not it's a verbal issue of police.
John, this is an official criminal trespass warning, all right?
Official criminal. Criminal means some law has been broken, right?
It's a trespass warning.
What is
so
the
it's a
crime that
warning
goes with
saying
the
that you're
criminal
not allowed-
action?
It's a warning saying you're not allowed back in there.
Per management's request.
For management's request.
Okay, so you guys talked to
From
the
today's
management?
date indefinitely. Yes, I did.
Okay, who's the manager?
I gotta go back in and get her name.
I'd like her names. I don't believe you talked to, I think you talked to
I
Marcy.
don't have to give you her name.
Well, then that's not, dude, you have to answer my goddamn questions. You have to give me a reasonable, articulable suspicion. Are you listening, Mr. Chris? You're not doing this right, man. What you're doing isn't working. You need to listen to me again. Look, we can't have two conversations at once, man. You're being very disrespectful. Look at him, he's waiting.
Grace Harbor County, Washington. This order is in effect for the time period listed above. I understand.
Yeah. For how long? Forever, huh? I can never ever buy food here ever again, right?
Yep.
Although I live in town, I can't leave on the bus,
You
right?
can be arrested and subsequently prosecuted for trespass.
For violating my rights under the color of law. And qualified immunity does not violate. Oh, look at you! Didn't like that, did you? You can be arrested for violation of my rights under the color of law. You know that you are illegally trespassing me right now from a fucking environment of staples. Look at Mr. Sample. Oh, he's getting mad. I'm bringing up law, Mr. Look at this motherfucker. He knows the law. You ran into one. Oh, I don't? We're going to find out, Mr. Miller. Maybe you've had too many Millers. Thank you for your warning. Hey, Mr. Crisp. Now, I was belligerent.
I'll arrest you, John.
Hey, man, you don't dictate his fucking investigation. Boy, what a fucking piece you are. You're one of them cops, man. You come 3Ds for the sergeant and a fucking dick licker behind you. Those are the cops, not you. You're a horrible fucking example. Get in your car and drive away, pig. Tell your mother how nice you've been to people. You got any medicine I can have for my dog? You fucking piece of shit. That's Officer Chris and Officer Sample. They've trespassed me from a place forever. This motherfucker told me yesterday I couldn't leave town. And now they're telling me I can walk to another city. I'm telling him to suck my fucking dick and drive on. And we got other citizens out here being fucking bootlickers. Bootlickers until they beat the fuck out of your kid or fucking kick in your door. You pieces of shit lickers. This motherfucker here, this is video 3. Now he's here within an hour of my coming out of my house, getting me trespassed from another place. And yesterday he gets me trespassed from the buses. Boy, are you gonna look fucking delicious to my fucking lawyer. You really are, you fucking piece of shit, violating my rights under the color of law. I know about that shit, bitch. You're gonna pay, Miller.